Hello students, come back to our class. Today I am going to teach you the grammar part from the page number 80 children. After the completion of the vocabulary part, we had a grammar part children. Yes? If you take the page number 80, there is a grammar part children. Yeah? Now see here. First bit he has given. First bit, in the interview, one interview is going on from our last class. From our last lesson, there is an interview between Bela Raja, Miss Bela Raja and who is that interviewer? Hafiz controller. Okay, Hafiz controller. Both of them have a interview. So in the interview, Hafiz controller shared his past experiences. Yes or no, children? In the lesson, he has shared. He sharing. He told some his past experiences and habits by saying. Habits by saying. That means he has told some what children? He told his past experiences and habits by saying what? He has given the sentence here. I used to be so interested in playing. What he is telling? I used to be so interested in playing. I would receive caning every week. Caning means what, children? The underlined part here, what given here? I used to is the underlined part, and would, I would given no, would underlined part, children. I used to be so interested in playing. He is telling that he was so interested at that time when he was a child. Okay, when he was studying in the 3rd standard. Okay, 2nd, 3rd standard. He was so interested in playing. I would receive caning every week. That means he used to get caning. He used to receive caning. Caning is nothing but, children, punishment. He used to get the punishment. Why? Because he did not show any interest. He did not show any interest in studies. That's why he used to get the punishment in the class. And he used to show the more and more interest in playing. That he is telling. Both used to and would. What are those words, children? Used to and would. With both words he is mentioning. Okay, both words he is mentioning. Both used to and would. Used to and would, children, are used to talk about the habitual actions of the past. He is telling that these words are used about what? To talk about the habitual. To talk about the habit of the action which was happened in the past, children. Now, a bit he has given. Comparing to the question, a bit he has given. Pick out some more similar expression from the text having. Pick out some more expression. That means more expression, more sentences. Whatever the experiences, expressions he had in the lesson. Okay, whatever the expressions he had in the lesson, that we should have to find, children. Pick out some more similar expression from the text having used to and would. Used to and would, and write in your notebook. Okay, children, I will explain you. You just concentrate in the textbook only. So we should have to find from the lesson which words we should have to find. This part we should have to find from the text having used to and would, and we should have to write. Now let us see here where you will find in the lesson itself. Now take the page number 71. If you take the page number 71, the treasure within. Our lesson is there, no, children? From the part 1. The treasure within is there, no? I will tell the first sentence. You just take down the textbook. Page number 74. Okay. Part 1. Hafiz controller. First character he has given. Next, second one is the BR. BR means who? Miss Bela Raja. Next, third one. Hafiz controller came, children, in that sentence. That means third paragraph. From part 1, third paragraph, the lines are given here. I used to get continuous nightmares about appearing for a maths exam. Okay, got, children? I used to get continuous nightmares. Used to came or not in this sentence? Used to has came, children. So this type of sentences you should have to underline from the textbook and you should have to write in the notebook, children. So first one I have done for you. What is that one? Third paragraph, 71 page number, third paragraph. I used to get continuous nightmare about appearing for a maths examination. That is the first one. Now second one, in the same page number, see, fifth one. fifth character, fifth one see here. Hafiz controller is there, no? Conversation. The conversation is, the interview is going on between both the children. So they are making the conversation here. So conversation, Hafiz controller's conversation. See, fifth point, fifth paragraph. That means fifth paragraph. Fifth paragraph, second. I used to be interested in games. I used to be interested in games. Running around, playing jokes and pranks on others. I would copy in class during exam times. Got children? Fifth conversation. Fifth conversation. Whose conversation? Hafiz controller's conversation. Second paragraph. In Hafiz controllers, fifth conversation is there, no children? If you are not able to see, I will show you in the book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth conversation. Hafiz controller. Yes, Hafiz controller. In this second paragraph is there, children. Second paragraph. I used to be interested in games, running around, playing jokes and pranks on others. I would copy in class during examination. Got children? This is the second one. Okay. What we are using? We are using used to and would. In this sentence, both we got children. Used to and would. If you come into the same paragraph, the same page, okay, last to second paragraph, children. Last to second paragraph. See, I used to play every game. I used to play. It is the sentence is telling about what, children? This sentence is telling about the past tense. I used to play every game. That is the third one. Now, if you go to the fourth one, third paragraph, you can also write. You can also underline for this line. I used to be a very good sportsman. I used to be a very good sportsman. 71 page number. Last second paragraph, children. From last to the second paragraph. I used to be a very good sportsman. I used to play every game. Underline for both the lines. Next. If you turn page 72, in the page number 72, last paragraph, second line, children. Last paragraph, second line, what is given? Before glossary, last paragraph, second line. I used to be the leader of a gang. I used to be the leader of a gang. I would have gang fights and plan. Okay, plan strategies. I have plan strategies. I would have gang fights and plan strategies. I used to be the leader of a gang. We would have got, used to we got and would be got. So these are the 5 sentences. I hope all have got the 5 sentences. That 5 sentences we have taken from the text. That should be noted down in your notebook, children. Next, come to the next grammar. Come to the next part, children. What is that? B bit. Now come to the B part. B part. A already we have completed. Now come to the B part. Tell your friends what you did normally when you were in the class 7. Okay. Now you are in the class 8. Whatever you have done in the class 7, that you should have to write in a sentence, children. How will you start? When I was in class 7. How will you write, children? When I was in class 7. When I was in class 7. How you will start the point? Writing the sentence. When I was in class 7. So, what you have done in the class 7? First point. Dashes are given, children. 1, 2, 3, 4 dashes are given. That means 4 points you should have to write what you have done in your previous class. That means in the 7th class. Okay. I am writing, children, here. First point. When I was in class 7, I used to shirk, S-H-I-R-K, shirk, work. I used to shirk, work, comma, and I would receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive a canning, C-A-N-N-I-N-G, canning every week. Okay children, this is the first one. Okay, when I was in class 7, start in this way. The first point, how you will start? What you have done. What you have done in the class 7th, that you start to mention in the present class. When I was in class 7, I used to shirk work. Shirk means I used to neglect the work. Neglecting, not caring. That means I used to neglect the work and I would receive a caning. I receive a caning, C-A-N-N and caning every week. That means I used to receive punishment every week. Okay, why he used to get the punishment? He was shirking the work. He was neglecting the work. That's why the teacher used to get the punishment. The teacher used to give the punishment for the student. That's why he is writing his own opinion. He is writing about last class what he have done. I used to shirk work and I would receive a caning every week. Next, second one children. Second one also you should start in that way only. If you write once means that is enough. When I was in class 7. When I was in class 7. Okay. Next point. I used to use again children. I used to be frequently, F-R-E-Q-U-E-N-T-L-Y. I used to be frequently absent, A-B-S-E-N-T, absent from classes. And my class teacher would punish me. Got children? Now this is here. This is the second point. When I was in class 7, continue the second point. I used to be frequently absent from classes. Okay, that means he will be going to be absent regularly. Okay, he was absent for the school regularly. I used to be frequently absent from classes. Okay, from classes, and my class teacher would punish me. Why the teacher is giving the punishment? Why? Because he is not coming regularly to the school. That's why the teacher is giving the punishment to him. So this is the first and second point, children. So your own points, you can mention in the third and the fourth dashes. Example I will tell. I used to copy. Okay, I used to copy in the examination. Okay, and my teacher would scold me. Why they are scolding? Why? Because we are copying in the examination. Like next, I used to sleep in my class. Okay, I used to sleep in my class, and my teacher would make me stand up on the bench. Yes or no? When we are going to sleep in the class, what the teacher will do? The teacher used to give the punishment. In what way? The teacher used to tell you to stand upon the bench. Okay, upon the bench. So this is the what children? This is the grammar part based on used to and would children. Got the information? So this is the grammar part. Now writing part children. Writing part. In a short and sweet, you just listen. I have completed one class based on comparing. C-O-M-P-E-R-I-N-G. Based on comparing. In the last class I have explained about comparing children. What is the meaning of the comparing? That means hosting the program. Yes or no? Hosting, anchoring the program. Yes, how we are going to anchor, how we are going to host the program. Based on this, we are going to complete the writing bit children. Here, what is given here? In the interview, you have read about Hafiz Controller's school experiences and career development. Yes, in the last class, we have learned about in the last lesson, we have learned about what? About the Hafiz Controller's experiences and career development. Now imagine that Hafiz Controller is invited as a chief guest as a part of the Children's Day. That means now what we are doing, we are just inviting for the Hafiz Controller to come and take part as a chief guest, as a chief guest on the occasion of what children? On the occasion of Children's Day. Prepare a script for the comparing the program. Make a mock presentation in the class. That means what we are going to do, children? We are going to just preparing a script. Script we are going to prepare for comparing the program, for hosting the program. Make a mock presentation in the class. In the page number 80, children, he has given about the experiences, what the experiences he had. Biodata of Hafiz controller he has mentioned. Let us read once, okay, and later on I will tell you how to write the script. Comparing script, children. Next, Hafiz controller was born in 1950. In which year? In 1950. I am going on reading. You just concentrate, children. He did his graduate diploma in the architecture from Mumbai in 1975 and completed his graduation from Columbia University, New York, USA on a Tata scholarship. Next, Hafiz controller commended his career with T. Kharighat as a apprentice architect, and in 1977 he became the associate partner in the same firm. Between 1977 and 1980, Hafiz was a visiting faculty at the Academy of Architecture, Mumbai. He is a member of the Mumbai Heritage Committee and New Delhi Litton's Bangalore Zone Review Committee. Okay. Next, children. Controller's practice had modest beginning in 1982 with a staff of 2. Today, the firm has over 350 employees, including senior associates, architects, interior designers, draftsmen, a civil engineering team, and an architectural support staff. The firm has conceptualized, designed, and executed a wide range of architectural projects like Bangalore's residential development, hospitals, hotels, corporate offices, banking and financial institutions, recreation and sports faculty, township, airports, railway stations, urban planning and civil redevelopment projects. That means he has given about the lifestyle of the experience and the lifestyle of the Hafiz controllers. Follow the features of a comparing given below. See, when we are going to write a script on comparing a program, okay, this step we should have to follow. What are those steps, children? Arrange the program as required by the context. Present the background. Highlight the persons and events. Highlight the person who are going to become. Okay. First of all, arrange the program as required by the context. Okay. We should have to arrange the program. Context means nothing but the context. About what program we are going to conduct. Okay. What we are going to arrange in that. How we are arranging the programs according to the time wise. Next, present the background. Background also we should have to present. Highlight the persons and the events. Present the background means present. We are going to host a program based on the occasion of Children's Day, children. Okay, on Teachers Day, example. Children's Day or Teachers Day. Teachers Day means that just we should have to keep the background. Teachers Day celebration banner we should have to keep. Highlight the persons and events. The chief guest we should have to highlight. Next, give reviews and reflection relevant to the context. Next, use polite and entertaining expressions. Next, follow the conventions of the stage. These are the steps where you should have to follow. Now, children, how you write the script about the Teachers Day? Last class I have explained about the comparing. No, in the listening part. From that you should have to mention, children. Okay, how the listening part is there about the comparing. In that way, you should have to make the comparing. Okay, children. How you will do, children, comparing? If you take the page number 144, comparing in the listening part, comparing is there, no? In the 144 page number. Okay, respected MEO. Now who is here? Now who is the guest here? Hafiz controller is the guest. Now we are going to invite on the Teachers Day occasion. Okay, on the occasion of Teachers Day, as a guest we are going to invite. So in that way we should have to make a format, children. Okay, next, how you will invite further to person? I would like to invite our chief guest Sri Hafiz controller, who is an inspiring personality like that. Okay, inspiring personality to grace the occasion like that. Next, I also request our headmaster sir to present a bouquet to our chief guest in that way. So comparing should be done in that way, children. So we are going to write a script based on the Hafiz controller who is being a guest in our Teachers Day occasion. So you have to prepare the script, children. With this I am ending my class. What we have learned in this class, children? We have learned about the grammar part, then afterwards the writing part about the script. We are going to write the script on a comparing of on the occasion of Teachers Day. With this, in the next class I will be meeting with the another topic, children.